I don't know if this map is like really rich or something. This bike backfires like crazy. Like it backfires all the time. What does that mean with the mapping? Does it backfire because it's rich or lean? Oh my good God. What the f was that? Holy shit. Don't even. Something's. Oh my God. My brand new bike. Don't even tell me. It's fucked. It's fucked. My brand new bike that I just spent $9 grand on is done. Please tell me it's gas. Please tell me I ran out of gas. Please, please, please tell me it's gasoline and that's why it bogged. Please, please, please. Oh, thank God. What an idiot. I am such an idiot, dude. I can't even believe I didn't fill this thing up with gas. Well, I'm really thankful that the engine didn't blow up. I'm thankful that it just ran out of gas. I am very thankful that it ran out of gas on the landing of the jump, not on the takeoff, and I didn't just die.
It doesn't have reserve?
No. Can you do me a favor?
What's that?
Can you go get the gator and bring me my gas can?
Oh my God.
Dude.
Only if you post this.
Oh, I will. I will never, ever, never, 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 ever forget to check my gas ever again. I've been running on one tank all day long. I should have known better. That was just stupidity. I seriously can't explain how grateful I am that it ran out of gas where it did and not on one of the jump faces, because that would have like ended me pretty much if I endoed off of one of those big doubles. Way, dude, I just blew it. Oh no. Oh. Like, you hear that? It pops. It backfires so much. Dive into the rut. Dude, it just pops so much. Every time I let go of the throttle, it feels like I'm backfiring. I feel like I'm one of those Golf GTIs with the pop and crackle tube. They just go down the street. Pop, 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 pop. Yeah, I gotta figure something out with this back brake. I think I gotta just adjust it. I gotta press it down far too much. Pelted by this guy's roost, and I'm like squinting, thinking that the roost is about to hit me in the eyes. Obviously, I have goggles on. Oh my God, these Yamahas are loud, baby. download like some maps online. I'm gonna do some research and see if like Chris Kiefer or someone, has some maps that I can load into this thing. Damn, that is brutal. Yeah, Sammy. The OJ the shit out of it. I still have not adjusted my rear brake pedal. That's dumb of me, because it feels like the rear brake not sensitive enough. But I know if I go adjust its position, it'll probably feel a whole lot better. So I got to do that. The seat is rock hard, and honestly, it's not very grippy. I wish the seat was softer and a little bit more grippy. So I'll definitely be putting an aftermarket seat on this thing. I'm 6'3", so I always put tall seats on everything, so I'm definitely going to do that with this. The suspension is good like always. That KYB suspension is really good. It felt like it was maybe a little bit too stiff at the beginning of the day, but it's brand new suspension. It's still got to, break in a little bit, but I also went a couple clicks. Woo! I went a couple clicks out. Ouch. I made it a couple clicks softer, and it feels a whole lot nicer, but also it'll just feel better the more that it breaks in. I know some people had issues with the foot peg mounts on this thing. I think they feel okay. I'm still going to put my Works Connection lowering foot peg mount on it. Just to see if that makes the foot peg's position feel even better. Clutch feels good. I like the cable clutches on the Yamaha. I rode a KTM for so many years, and I got used to the hydro clutch on that. But as soon as I got back onto a cable clutch, I feel like it's much easier. I feel like the cable clutch is much easier to modulate it. So I love the good old, so I love the clutch, the brakes the front brake feels really good. Rear brake I gotta fix, gotta do a new seat, and then try out a couple new maps, and I'm sure this bike's gonna be awesome. The main difference in this bike, yeah, I can pull third a little bit better on the hard-hitting map. The main thing I've noticed with this bike versus my old Yamaha, my old 2022 model, is that this thing handles corners so much better. Whoa! Almost hit that log sticking out.